দেখো আলোয় আলো আকাশ, দেখো আকাশ তারায় ভরা, দেখো যাওয়ার পথের পাশে ছোটে হাওয়া পাগল পারা, এত আনন্দ আয়োজন সবই বৃথা আমায় ছাড়া, ভরে থাকুক আমার মুঠো, দুই চোখে থাকুক ধারা, এও সময় রাজার মতো হলো কাজের হিসেব সারা।
Hey, where are you lost? Did you like the song so much?
Oh yes, but more than that, I'm praying sincerely because I'm sick of this COVID-19. I wish it disappears.
Me too. But do you know, if we sit here and with sad faces, do you think we'll gain anything? You need to see bright sides too.
Bright side? What bright side? This corona has no bright side.
Oh, Drishti, this corona may not have a bright side, but all its effects are not positive. I mean negative. I mean positive, not symptoms. Oh, this positive has become so much negative.
Okay. I understood what you want to say, but I can't see any positive side to it. And this Diwali is so boring because of it.
No, Drishti, it will not be. Wait. Come with me. I'll show you. In fact, you will hear from some of our favorite people, the positives. Yes, the positives of COVID-19.
Really? Come, let's go.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please tell us one thing that this COVID-19 has taught you?
Okay, COVID-19. You're asking me to tell you one thing which COVID-19 has taught me. The fact is, we have learned a lot of lessons. But one thing, if I may think of, the most important thing which is about nature, about family coming together, and people going back to their roots. So when I am saying people going back to their roots, I have seen that instead of buying Diwali patakhas from outside, people are switching over to music. They are buying music and they are playing music instead of burning patakhas. People are eating homemade mithais, and the best thing which is happening, that the nature has taken over. So people are going back to the roots. They understand the value of being in the family, doing the work together. So today, when mummy or dadi or dad decides to make laddus on Diwali, the whole family is seeing how laddus are being made, how pedas are being made. So Diwali has brought the whole family together, and these family values are the foundation of our Indian culture. I'm so happy and proud to be an Indian. May God keep all of us together, and we should not only keep waiting for things like COVID 19 to bring the family together. We should otherwise continue doing what we are doing, and family values are the most important thing, in my opinion, and that is what I value the most. This is what COVID 19 has taught us.
Wow, thank you, ma'am. That is so nice.
Jahan sir, sir, with Corona all around us, how is this Diwali going to be special for you?
Thank you for the question. Jai Hind to all the viewers. This Diwali is a special Diwali. It's a COVID Diwali we call it. And we have to be extra careful because COVID is a respiratory disease. You know that. And if you have crackers and if you pollute the atmosphere, then what happens? Then this Diwali becomes even more dangerous, even more harmful for all of us. Because if the air is polluted and we breathe COVID in it, then we stand a chance of infection. So I request all of you, all my viewers, all the Sunbeams to have a very, very happy Diwali. Play music, play games at home, do whatever you want to, and avoid crackers, avoid pollution. Wish you all the best, a very, very happy Diwali 2020 to all the Sunbeams. Jai Hind.
Ma'am, I have heard you are a very good cook. What is cooking in your kitchen this Diwali?
Well, Diwali is usually a feast for the palate. And me being a dedicated foodie, and I also come from a family of extremely food conscious people. So Diwali is like 5 days of cooking and eating everything that you should not. But this Diwali, the one thing that I do want to make is that we are getting amazingly good carrots. So I will be making a carrot cake. That is going to be the first on the list for Diwali. And I will try to make some low calorie goodies, but you know, when it comes to actually indulging your senses, then the calories fly right out of the window. So a very typical Maharashtrian food speciality which we cook for Diwali is the Maharashtrian version of the gujia, which we call karanji, which is your traditional gujia stuffed with tender coconut and cooked with sometimes with jaggery and sometimes with a lot of sugar as well as nutmeg. So this Diwali it is going to be definitely karanjis and carrot cake. And if I were to talk about making something which is salty, then I actually would not go beyond the traditional marchi, but with a twist of methi in it and a lot of spices in it. So my Diwali plate, festive plate, is going to have karanji, is going to have carrot cake, and is going to have spicy methi matris. So you're welcome, Srishti, to come with us, to come home and to celebrate with us.
See, Drishti, I told you this Diwali is going to be fun. Come, let's go to Principal Ma'am.
Hello everyone. This Diwali is going to be a little different because of the corona pandemic. Because number one, I'm going to not go so much for shopping at all because it's not very safe to go outside at this time. Secondly, the decoration in the house, I'm going to be using more of flowers than anything else. So flowers with diya lighting, I think that is going to be my decoration plan. And sweets, yes, last year we purchased a lot of sweets from outside. But this year I am going to have more of the homemade sweets for everyone to taste. This Diwali, I am going to pray when we are doing the ardas in the evening for everyone's safety and for everyone's well-being, which definitely last year it was in a different mode. But this Diwali, many people have lost their near ones and dear ones. We'll pray for them and pray for the safety of each and every one. So I look forward to this Diwali in a much more different manner than last year. Also for the nature, which we saw to its beautiful during the pandemic, I want to keep it safe, so I'm not going to burn any crackers. Last year also we just had the Fuljari, but this year I'm not going to have even that also. So my contribution to this Diwali would be in this manner, and it is going to be a real different one. Yes, I'm going to enjoy the lighting which the other people do, look around and enjoy how people are celebrating it. So happy Diwali to each one of you. Stay safe and take care of yourself and your family. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Shivansh, let's meet Vibha ma'am now.
Then let's go.
Ma'am, have you shopped for Diwali? Don't you miss it?
Oh, yes. Definitely, I am planning for shopping. And many of my children told me that they are going for online shopping. Actually, children, that's a safe option. But then, what I believe is in Dil Kholo, avenues khulenge. I am trying to procure things from the nearby shops. Because what I feel, when you give happiness, when you spread happiness, you also feel contented and happy. And children, these people who run small shops are also available on their phones. You just give them a call and they are at your doorstep. So that is also an option which you can explore. But then I want all my creative children to think for creative ideas where you spread happiness and at last you are also feeling happy. And most importantly, 2 गज की दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी. Happy Deepavali.
So Drishti, are you still upset?
Of course not. This Diwali will be Happy Wali Diwali.
True that. We need just to follow some rules and bingo! We'll have a very happy and safe Diwali.
Oh, that reminds me, a few of our friends have a nice dance celebration. Do you want to see that?
Of course, why not? Abracadabra!
हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की. हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की. ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की.
14 वर्षों की वो प्रतीक्षा पूरी हुई रंग लाई. 14 वर्षों की वो प्रतीक्षा पूरी हुई रंग लाई. छठी अमावस हुई पूर्णिमा आज धरा हर्षाई.
लौट के आए, आज अयोध्या लौट के आए, रघुकुल भूषण राजा राम. आज अयोध्या लौट के आए, रघुकुल भूषण राजा राम.
कितने वर्षों बाद अवध में सुख का अवसर आया है.
बड़ा मनोहर दृश्य है, सबने प्रभु का दर्शन पाया है.
ओ मिलके दीप जलाओ खुशी के, मिलके दीप जलाओ खुशी के.
दुखों को देके विराम, आज अयोध्या लौट के आए,
रघुकुल भूषण राजा राम.
आज अयोध्या लौट के आए, रघुकुल भूषण राजा राम.
Now I am very excited to get back home and kickstart my Diwali.
But then remember, 2 गज की दूरी मास्क से जरूरी. Let's go.
But before that,